Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the location of the camshaft position sensor and also the wiring diagram for it on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. First we go into the service manual to show you the location of the camshaft position sensor and then the wiring diagram. And then I'm going to show you the location of it on the car. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now I'm going to type camshaft position sensor and we'll see where exactly it is located on the car. So we can see that camshaft position sensor is marked with number 1 and it's located just on the front of the engine, just over there. Next I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for it. So this is the wiring diagram for the camshaft position sensor. It has 3 wires going to it and they're all coming from the engine ECU. One of them is power, the other one is ground, and the third wire is signal. Next I'm going to show you the location of the camshaft position sensor on the car. It is located right there, and we can see that there is 3 wires going to it. If you want to remove and replace the camshaft position sensor, you need to disconnect the connector. You just press in this clip and pull out the connector, and then the position sensor is held by 1 bolt, which we need to remove, and then remove the sensor. Thank you for watching.